So guys, this is Zepto application. Now on Zepto application, you can place order for your groceries, your household items, and there are much more items available on the application category wise. Now Zepto claims that they will deliver your product in 10 minutes. So in today's video, we are going to place an order. We are going to take a look at how to place an order and does we really get the product in 10 minutes or not. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And without wasting any time, let's move on to placing order now. So guys, you have to download Zepto application. You will find this application on Play Store and App Store as well. I have already given the link of this particular application in the description. So you can just go and check out from that link and you can download the application and you might get some offers with it. So yeah, after downloading the application, all you have to do is you have to tap on that particular application and we are on the sign up page now. Now to sign up, all you have to do is you have to enter the mobile number and then you have to click on continue. So as you can see, I have entered the mobile number. Now simply you have to click on continue option. On the next page, it will ask me to enter OTP, which I will receive on my mobile number. So I have to wait for the OTP. And once I receive the OTP, it will automatically detect, as you can see. So let me remove this first. And now you are on the home screen. So now if you want to set your location, you can directly select here and you can use current location option. Usually the pop-up comes on the screen to allow, or it will ask you to, turn on your GPS so that it can detect your location and it can save for your future deliveries. So if you don't get that option, all you have to do is you have to select this particular option over here and you can select current location option or you can type your address on the search bar. So let me show you. So once you type in search bar, it will show you some recommendation. You have to select your particular address and then you are good to go. It will ask you to select exact location so that you don't find any problem while doing the delivery or receiving your product. So yeah, you have to confirm the location. You can just simply select any particular location if you want to, and once it is done, all you have to do is you have to confirm and continue. Now as your sign up process is completed, let's head how you can place order in Zepto. We are on the home page of Zepto application. Now, before going ahead, I just want you all to know that I have given the link of this particular application in the description. So if you want to download the application, you can just go on that link and you can download the application and you might get some offers over there. So let's move forward. Now, as you can see on the home page, you will find products category wise. So there are some categories, as you can see. So there are fruits and vegetable, cooking essential, munchies, packaged food, beverages, bread and butter, ice cream, dessert, chocolate and candies, meat and eggs. Now, if you scroll down, there are much more options over here. Home needs, health and hygiene, personal care, biscuit, and much more. So if you want to select a particular category, you can select it from here. Or else if you want to search any particular product, all you have to do is you have to tap on search tab over here and then you can check a product for yourself. Now, for example, I want to order some batteries for use. So I'm going to search for Duracell batteries over here. I want this particular product right now, Duracell Ultra AA batteries. If I want to order that, there is a plus icon over here, if you can see. So all you have to do is you have to tap on that plus icon. And once you have clicked on plus icon, then you can check out the price at the bottom. One item is added and the total is 153. Now, if you are ordering for the first time on Zepto application, if your order is about 99 or 90, then you might get that product without any delivery cost. So that is the one thing you have to keep in mind. So let's go in cart for now. Now it is showing me 37 saved on this order and the price was 170. Now it is showing me 168 only. I don't know why it is showing that 37 rupees saved on this order. Let's check out if any coupons are there. If you want to check out the coupons, you have an option of avail offers and coupons. So you can just tap on avail offers and coupons and you can check out for the coupon which are usable. So now currently I cannot apply any coupon because there are no such coupon available for this particular price range. But if you are ordering this for the first time, you will get this delivery free of cost. So you have to keep that in mind. And you will be able to see that offer always on the home screen on here or as well as at the bottom. So you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, if you want to go ahead, you can just check out the address which you want the order to be delivered on. If you want to change it, you can simply click on change address. So to move ahead and to make the payments, you have to click on continue to payment. So on the payment page, you can see there are multiple options. There are UPI options, so you can do payment via GPay, Bhim application, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay. You have an option of cards, so you can do payment by credit and debit card. You have option of wallets, so you can simply pay through Freecharge, MobiKwik, Ola Money, Pays app wallet. There are much more options. Pay later options are available over here. Lazy Pay, Simple. Net banking options are available over here. If you can see, there are multiple banks shown. The last option which you can choose is cash on delivery. Now, if you want to place any cash on delivery order, you can select the cash on delivery option over here. So you just have to click on that circle and then you have to click on proceed to pay. But I am going to do online payment. So what I'll do is I'm going to select UPI option over here and I'm going to select Phone Pay option. So I'll click on Phone Pay. So now you can see I am in Phone Pay application and already the amount is shown here. So I don't have to type the amount manually. It is already there. So you can just select the bank if you added multiple bank in Phone Pay application. Once everything has been done, all you have to do is you have to click on send option. And then you have to enter the UPI pin to place the order completely or successfully. So I'll do that very quickly. Once you enter the UPI pin, you have to click on the tick mark sign at the bottom. And now you can see the payment is in process for now. Now payment is done. Now let's head back to Zepto application. Now as you can see, the order has been placed, and if you want to check out the order details, you can click on order details over here, and currently it is showing me 19 minutes or 20 minutes for the delivery. Now Zepto does promote by saying that you will get your delivery in 10 minutes after placing the order, but it depends on how much the rush is going on in that particular time. So if you're placing an order in afternoon period, then there might be a delay in delivery because there are multiple orders. So yeah, we have to understand that one thing. So yeah, if you click on order details, you will be able to check out the order details over here, whichever product you have ordered, what is the price and the total amount over here. So that's it. Now what I'll do is I'm going to wait for 18 minutes to check out how much time exactly does it take to, the product to be delivered to me. So the time is 11:32. So I'm going to wait for 18 minutes or 20 minutes and I'm going to check at 16:50 does I receive the product till that time. And whichever time I receive the product, I will definitely update you with that time. So yeah, these are the simple steps by which you can simply order product on Zepto application. Don't forget to check out the links which is already present in the description. So finally, I have received my order. Now let's check out actually how much time does it took for the particular order to get delivered to me. So yeah, to check out the orders, all you have to do is you have to click on this 3 dash at the right hand side top corner. After that, you have to select order section. And this is the particular order. As you can see, 168 was the price. I'll select that particular order. Now the time when I placed the order was 4:30, as you can see. And the time it took for the arrival was 11 minutes 47 seconds. So almost 12 minutes. It was showing me 20 minutes and I have received the order in 12 minutes. So as you can see, the product also and the price. So yeah, the experience was good. The order was before time. So I can say that yes, whichever time is shown to you on the screen while after placing the order, it will definitely reach you before that particular time. So the experience is good. Now there is one more reminder. The particular link of this application is given in the description. So you can download the application from that link and you might get some offers in your orders. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. So results are in front of you. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.